Your stem.
Stim.
Go, go, go.
Yoink.
Game's trash.
I worked.
It's okay, it's
Change
their
the color.
bottom frag. I gave them an op.
I'm gonna come.
Dude, I'm like losing brain cells.
She's lit.
Enemy remaining.
Okay.
What are you, gay?
That's too long. Yeah, do some grass, nerds. How's it feel, bitches?
Kill yourself, kill yourself.
Your sugar daddy got you that?
Oh shit! What the fuck?
I think LeBron was like my therapist or something. I thought he was gonna dunk on Adrian.
You gave you an STD.
She doesn't like gay people, I'm sorry.
You must have a horrible life at home, Mitchell.
Healing over here, please! My bad! I didn't know you were pushing it! Oh my god! I'm so
Lagging.
I'm over here! Some healing! I'm good!
I'm clong, I'm clong.
I'm dead.
Go to B, go to B.
What the fuck?
He's running off.
Shut up! I can't hear!
He's right there. He's in your bite.
You fucking liar! He's running up! He went!
Twirl that knife, baby. Twirl that knife. Stupid, innit? You guys ever
Okay.
imagine about dragons? He's a professional nigga.
Just me with a pistol, like, yep. Ow. Ow.
Jake, you're right.
Oh, careful, Kane! Careful, Kane!
I think this motherfucker in here, dude.
Richard, get your gun, get your... Stop the knife!
No.
Dodge him! Dodge him! Dodge him!
Oh, fuck.
Don't you feel?
That's
Stupid.
fine.
Don't you feel a little ashamed?
Maybe.
Careful, SpongeBob. Careful, SpongeBob. Careful,
Careful,
SpongeBob!
SpongeBob!
Why do you just think everything is like a dildo? You like dildo?
We need to stick together, honey. You don't need to stick this close.
A donk, a
Oh, yeah,
donk.
me and your mom are gonna...
I'm gonna shove this thing up your ass and pull the trigger.
Okay!
Woman might be there again.
Enemy remaining.
I ran out of I ran out of space on my.
Make up your fucking mind!
Yeah, dude, I need a fucking pee right now.
One enemy remaining.
Ooh, what'd I tell ya?
Planting.
Planet
Okay. Number 3, let's go.
Oh, my armor.
Oh, Dios mío. Ah, fucking shut him!
Right there. And it was like Karen moment.
He's a running huge.
Stack.
Evil callouts be like hell.
You see, if I didn't go in the shadow that round, I wouldn't have won that. Bang a bang. Yeah.
When have you ever thought of me as careful?
I don't know, I'm very scared right now.
You mocking me, boy?
No, I'm just very scared.
You mocking me, boy?
What the fuck?
Are you okay?
Don't expose the military challenge impossible.
I was trying to be sexy. I was trying to be sexy.
Dude, I do not deserve to get laid.